Exalt you just in the Lord. Sing to Him a new song. Exalt just in the Lord. Sing to Him a new song. Give thanks to the Lord of the harp, with a 10-string lyre, chant His praises. Sing to Him a new song. Pluck the strings skillfully with shouts of gladness. Exalt you just in the Lord. Sing to Him a new song. But the plan of the Lord stands forever, the design of His heart through all generations. Bless the nation whose God is the Lord, the people He has chosen for His own inheritance. Exalt you just in the Lord. Sing to Him a new song. Our soul waits for the Lord, who is our help and our shield. For in Him our hearts rejoice, in His holy name we trust in the Lord. Exalt you just in the Lord. Sing to Him a new song. Exalt you just in the Lord. Sing to Him